My name is Alicia Drury and I'm a personal trainer here at the MAC. The program itself is really great in that it takes a real broad way of looking at how you approach your wellness. You know, you have a session where you can talk about, you know, your diet and your lifestyle, but then aside from that you get another part of the session which you get some physical training in different kind of modalities. So aside from doing weights or from working the machines, it just turned me around to a new way of thinking about how I use the gym. I went from 163 pounds to 133 pounds. And now I'm actually working to put more lean muscle on, so I'm hoping my weight's gonna go up. So it's kind of nice to sort of have that turnaround there. I've taken on a different way of sort of managing my lifestyle, really think about what I eat, what I put into my body. I have a much stronger regimen as far as my workouts, how much I do every day. I continue to live a pretty healthy lifestyle without feeling deprived. As a result of this program and coming in and learning the different ways of working out, I was inspired to sort of take that information, take it one step further and actually get my certification as a personal trainer. And now I work at the MAC as a trainer, helping people achieve their goals just like I did. If you're ready to make a big change in your life and you're willing to make the commitment to do the work, because it is some work, then this is an awesome program to do.